Hi, welcome to AWS Cloud Solution Architect sessions. My name is Ram. I'm AWS Solution Architect certified, and also I have almost 15 years of experience in IT and in AWS architecting. I'll have using almost 10 years. I have architecting like AWS and Azure, and working with automation as infrastructure as a code, all the things. So, welcome to this sessions, and I'm going to take a small demo on hosting a website on a virtual machine. So, the why AWS cloud is so popular is you don't need to manage your infrastructures. You can host in any region. You don't need to get care of any patching, all this thing, high availability, network, all this cost and lot of human whoever this thing to avoid this one that's why the cloud is become so popular, and also cost also very cheap compared to that. You don't need to provide lot of infrastructure. It doesn't mean that it is only for only a few people. Whoever might be, whatever might be a role. They may be a developer, they may be a ops guy, they may be a big data, they may be AI team. Any team can use cloud thing because that much services are available. For this demo, what I'm going to show you is a small demo, just deploying one website on EC2 instance. So EC2 instance is like a virtual machine where you have your own server. I'll host it, and how to access that endpoint, I'll show you. Okay, just small demo. This will give you an idea how simple and how easy to deploy all this thing. Okay, so this is architecture diagram. I have a user, external user, and I have a virtual machine. So this is one machine, and I'm going to host a website. It may be any DNS name, and we will see how fast we can deploy it. Okay, so for this demo, you should have a cloud account. So I have already have my own cloud account. That's why um, I have it. So this you can get it free of cost. Just you have to give your credit card or debit card number and automatically. So what I'm going to do is I'm just how I come to this page. I'll just tell you. I just come to EC2, search for EC2. You can select any region. All AWS cloud services are the region specific. Okay. All cloud services are region specific. And click on this, and you will navigate to this page. Okay. And I am going to host my website on. So your customer is located to North Virginia, you host it. If your customer is located to Mumbai, you host it on this. It depends upon the customer requirement. So I'm just going to launch. Select it, make it very fast. So I say that this is a web server, and I'm just going to take AMI, and I'm just taking a T2. It's a different sizing of your machine. So this is comes with 1 GB and 1 CPU. It's very cheap. So I'm going to use AWS demo key, which I have already key. So I'm going to use a default network. Okay. Default network. So this is basically your network, how your network should connect and what IP, all this thing. This is like act like a security group is act like a firewall where who can access and who cannot access all this thing I give. So in this demo, I'm not following any best practice. So I'm giving access to entire people. Okay. And I'm giving HTTPS also from anywhere. And 8 GB is my disk. So you can create a number of disks. So in this demo, I'm just taking a 8 GB of disk. Okay. And if you go to advanced details, actually I need to install some script. Okay. For that, there is a script called user data. So while booting, this is the user data. So while booting of your OS, okay, of your kernel, I want to install some prerequisites. It may be you are installing some web server or installing of your some Apache server. Everything can be done while booting. Without logging to the server, you can install it. So that's the thing. So I'm taking the script and I'm just pasting here. So basically, I'm installing one static website. Basically, I'm hosting one website on this virtual machine. Instead of logging to the server I'm doing, I'm just while booting of only this will be installed. Okay. Let me install it and just launch it. We'll see how it's happening. So now I'm creating one EC2 instance. So in this instance only, what I've done is I hosted one website. It may be any website. Just for demo purpose, how simply we are cost effectively we are deploying one website. That's the thing. Okay. So let me refresh it. This will actually take some time. Yeah, this is that machine. Okay. And what we'll do is we try to log in with public endpoint. You can log in with private also, but you should be a part of that network. But in this case, what I'm doing is I try to host with uh, this public DNS. Now here that website should come. Let me see. So, so if I come here, what is happening is this page is not loading. That is because of I have not opened the this particular website port number. That's why it's not opening because it's getting timed out. So let me go to this mission. There is something called internal firewall. So go to the security and you just need to allow it because of that. See here, I'm not allowed. What we'll do is we go here, click on edit and just click on action, edit inbound route. So inbound is a traffic which comes inside to the mission. Okay. Click on add and add HTTP and it's automatically take care of 4080. Okay. So I'm allowing from anywhere. Okay. I'm just saving. This is just a demo. In real time, we won't give like this. Okay. Just for demo. And I change the security group. Now, if you refresh it, now it will load it. Got it? So in this way, what we done is we hosted one a website on AWS EC2. It's a virtual machine. And this is my that demo thing. So what I've done is here I put it the IP address of this machine. I got it. So in this way, I have done that thing. So thank you guys. We'll see you in the next demo.